had so much fun with that morning outing yesterday, I couldn't help but do it again. I saw that the forecast had partly cloudy through about 10 a.m. Figured that was perfect. Get out here, get under some cloud cover, see if I can catch some shallow water action again. See you upriver. Oh, come on. Little guy. This is the first hint of action I've had all morning, so thick. Turtle. Okay, this is a turtle, but he's very comfortable with my buzzbait. It's not surprising. The down log got it done, and that is a nice one. Wow. Let's see here. Looking decent, not great. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I got him. Woo! Well, I have had to work for you. I've been out here a while and I've barely caught anything. One tiny little bass other than this. There we go. Get my stuff straightened out. Not super long, but man, he's a chunky one. Pike, really? Oh no, wait, it is a bass. Looked like a pike for a second. Oh no, it's a bass. There we go. Woo! Oh no. Another 2-pounder. Well, that wasn't a ton of action, but worth getting out of bed for anyway. Plus a early morning fishing trip is always a great start to the day. But yeah, finding that log is pretty cool. I love Texas rigging and fishing worms or football jigs. Catching it out from a down tree is about as classic as it gets. So yeah, it's a lot of work for just a couple of fish, but that was worth it. That was a pretty good little surprise there. But I'm gonna head in here shortly. I will see you guys next time. I just had something out of this little patch of lily pads right in front of me blow up on a frog. Like 5 minutes apart, the casts were, and both of them, it just absolutely tried to destroy it. I wasn't running the GoPro at the time. The battery's not going to last much longer. I would love if that thing took a third swing though. I'm not even totally sure what it was. But, oh, there it is. It's a pike, it looks like. I don't even care. That was fun. That's a gator though. Holy shit. Come on, baby. How deep is he hooked? I can't even get in there. Wrap my hand like that. Got it. Nice fish. Oh, look at the way it's hooked. Beauty. Well, now I'm actually heading back in. Cruised around the corner from the landing, throwing a few more casts, and yeah, that pike happened. So, the main reason I stopped filming was because my GoPro battery is getting low. I was really worried that the GoPro battery died while I was handling the fish, and I wasn't going to get a good shot of it, but no, I'm glad that it turned out like it did. But now I'm actually heading in, so I will see you guys later.